Hello, my name is Rania. Today, we're gonna learn how to do a caricature using very simple material like a pencil and a paper. Let's start. A caricature is a funny drawing that we make of a face. First, we need to choose someone to draw to be our subject. You can draw yourself by looking at a mirror or choose a photo of someone you love. Now look at the face. What is the first thing that you notice? What is the biggest part of the face? This part, we will have to make it even bigger to become a caricature. We start by drawing 2 almond shapes for the eyes. In the middle of each one, we draw a big circle and a small black circle. We fill the big circle with light pencil lines. To do that, we apply light pressure. For the eyebrows, we draw 2 arches above the eyes. Under the eyes, we draw a small line for the nose and a longer line for the mouth. On my image, I can see 2 small teeth. Don't forget to draw 2 lines above and below for the lips. Now I will do a very small chin and big cheeks. And add the ear lines. We need to do the hair. I will draw a big oval shape for the hair. I will fill it with my pencil as the girl on my picture has dark hair. To make our caricature more funny, we will add a tiny neck and tiny shoulders. You can decorate the clothes. Now it is up to you if you want to add colors or add a background. When you are done, you can choose another person to draw and follow these easy steps again. I hope you enjoyed this workshop. Don't forget to practice. Bye!